Hello everyone, welcome to Thursday's maths lesson, and today we're going to be looking at inverse, and this is inverse addition and subtraction. Now we have done this before, so you should be okay with this. I am going to share a PowerPoint with you and it won't take very long, and then you can get straight on with your activities today. So let's have a look. So what does inverse mean? If you've got someone you can talk with them now. Inverse, what does it mean? Okay, inverse means just doing the opposite. So the inverse of addition is subtraction, and the inverse of subtraction is addition. So it's a completely the opposite way round. So if I did 2 add 4 equals 6, that's an add question, my inverse would be 6 take away 4 equals 2, because you work backwards. You've got to use the same numbers though. So look at these number sentences here. Okay, so we've got 14 add 21 equals 35. Because it's an add, we can swap the numbers over. 21 add 14 equals 35. And then we can make an inverse, a takeaway, just using the same numbers. 35 take away 21 equals 14. I've just used the same numbers again. There are 3 golden rules. Always use the same 3 numbers. Subtraction always starts with the biggest number, and addition ends with the biggest number. So let's have a look. 23 add 15 equals. What does it equal? What does it make? Well, I can tell you that it makes 38. Now, using those 3 numbers, can you make 2 takeaways? Pause the video now while you try to do that in your book. Okay, when you've done that, using these 3 numbers, can you make a different add question? I'll give you a clue. Look at these here. What can I do with these 2 numbers? Okay, let's move on. Right, I've got a takeaway question here. 30, take away 12, and I'm going to tell you the answer. It's 8, not 28, silly Mrs. Barton, it's 18. Right, using these numbers here, can you do 2 add questions? I'll give you a clue. The biggest number needs to go at the end. Right, pause the video now while you have a practice. Okay, now, using these 3 numbers, can you make another takeaway question? Okay, have a look and write it in your book. Okay, did you get 30? Take away 18 equals 12. Hopefully you did. Right, here are some other questions for you to try. Try and do these now in your book. Have a look. There's the answers already done for you. And then 2 takeaways. This is a takeaway. So you've got another takeaway to do and then 2 adds. So it's the inverse. Okay, do that now. Pause the video now so you can have a go of doing those in your book. Welcome back. Right, last question. Can you use the inverse to find the question marks? It's quite a tricky one. Have a good look. Have a try in your book now. Use a number square if you need to, or some cubes. Have a go now. 8 add something equals 16. Well done. Right, in the folder you'll find lots of work to do today, all about the inverse. Remember to look for the clues. Look what's already there to help you. If you get stuck, use a number square, use some cubes, use some counters, use your whiteboard to work things out. And we look forward to seeing your work very soon. Okay, bye everyone. Bye.